let's unbox. This is the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G in its awesome lavender color, so let's unbox this. The first thing we see is the phone inside the box. Let's keep this aside for a while and see what else is there inside this mini box. There is the SIM tool, and then inside this box we have some paperwork and a USB-C to C charging cable. This is the Galaxy A37 in the awesome lavender color. You already know what to do for the full review. Stay tuned.